But why is everybody so dirty? Why is everybody that come out of here so dirty? I don't know.
Take a look at real close. Loving all my family, I gotta do the most. You can wish, hope, grants here to make it known that anything you do, you gotta do it with your soul. Cause we brilliant, resilient. We hold it down like a lieutenant. We in this, raising queens and a king. Together we're a team, making it to our dreams. Nowhere I'd rather be than with my family. Family, 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 family. Nowhere I'd rather be. Family, 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 family. Know that you're proud of me. Family, 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 family. Here with my family, my family. Oh, oh,
Hey! Watch y'all. Watch us, buddy. What's up, guys? Come on, Maya. Baby, hold it down. But why is everybody so dirty? Why is everybody that come out of here so dirty? I don't know. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Grand Family. I'm your girl Chantel, and this is Amaya, Jahari, and Araya, Dominic, and we are here in, what is this place? Sweet Valley Ranch. Yeah, party. So guys,
those are what, guys?
what is this? Let me show you. Saturday?
Alright, I don't want to put this thing on you, man. Because you're going to tear it off.
Party in the cracker, party in the cracker.
Jerry? Jerry?
What is this?
It's Saturday. I don't want to red though.
This stinks.
Instinct. Okay, we're going. Alright, come on.
Thank you. So guys, we are about to go on a ride. Sit up, go on the end. I don't want to be on the end. So if I really got to do something.
Today I'm going to tell you everything on the farm. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And when he takes off, it will jerk a little bit. Maybe. Sometimes it does. It was smooth. It was smooth. Okay, on this side we have Sunnyside Field. We have Patty, Big Mama, Comanche, Sweet Pea, and Oreo over here. They're in their stables right now, but hopefully we can see them when we come back around. And then we have our zebra, Sebastian. He's in there. He's usually in there with his girlfriend, and she's a donkey. And they do have 2 kids together. They're called Z-Donks, and you're going to be able to see them later on in the farm tour. Did anyone do? You can't ride them, but you can go over there. A Z-Dog is kind of like, it has a donkey face and ears, and then it's kind of like a body of a horse, but it has zebra stripes on their legs and on their stomach. You're going to be able to see them later on. It's a Z-Dog. It's a zebra and a donkey mixed together. We didn't do it. We got them like that. Yeah. And then if you do come back to do go-karts, that's where you would load up. That's where all that happens. And then this is Mary Maids. Mary Maids is another business of Surgeon and Associates. And we use that for our graveyard. We're gonna have 3 haunted houses this year: our haunted manor, the slaughterhouse, and the graveyard. And you should definitely come out for that one. It's our best attraction by far. The hearse? No. Then in this wooded area right here, this is our pigs. We keep them in there so they can get nice and fat. They're commercial pigs. They get on commercials. They're kind of famous. And then we have Charleston Field right beside them. And that's where we have all of our Black Angus cattle. And we also have our water buffalo in there. We do have to keep our water buffalo separated though, because the males are very dominant. They won't let the females eat. Yeah. Yeah, that's a dinosaur. Yeah. Alright, and then right behind the red pavilion right here, this is Charleston Field Pavilion with the ice stage this year. So it's going to be even bigger than last year. Outside the fence, that's where we keep one of our Great Pyrenees dogs. We let the dogs out at 7 when everybody leaves. We get everything closed up and they protect all the animals on the farm. We haven't had anything bad happen to an animal in over 1.5 years. But we're not going to go that fast. Probably going to stay within the 5 miles per hour range. And then these are our fishing ponds. This bigger pond right here, that's for our bass, and we have 3 other kinds of fish in there. And then the one behind this cabin right here, the smaller one, is our catfish pond. And the cabin is Mr. Surgeon and Miss Anita's house that they stay in while we're having different attractions. They're very hands-on with everything we do. They're actually out here today. You may have seen them. Right here is Mouse Alley. We're here with our Z-Dogs, our Highland cattle, our Black Angus cattle, mixed breed goats, Canaan goats, and sheep. And the 2 Z-Dogs are past the trees, straight out right here. And you'll be able to see them when we turn the corner. And then in this kennel right here, we have Norma, which is one of our other Great Pyrenees dogs. How long is that? And then over here we do have some of our turkeys. But when it comes to Thanksgiving time, please don't come take the turkeys. It's their home. I love it here. We don't need that to happen again. Alright, so we're coming up on Tiny. Tiny's our great big Brahma bull, and then you're going to be able to see him. I'm going to ask you about how much you think he weighs. His name's Tiny, but it's very ironic because he's so large. And he's our mascot here at Sweet Valley Ranch. And he just had 3 kids, and I'm going to point them out too. Alright, so these 2 laying right beside each other with the white face and then mostly dark body, and then the brown spots with the white face, those are 2 of his babies. And then the brown right here laying down with the white face, that's another one of his babies. He has 2 new boy babies, and he has 1 female. And Tiny's coming up. He's laying down.
We're laying Tiny.
Tiny's under this shelter laying down. He has this big hump in his back. 24 pounds. 60. I got a guess of 64 pounds. 50-100. And then this is Tiny. Make sure you're looking at him with the big hump in his back, the horns.
You look like 9,000. He looks heavy.
600.
That's a good guess.
425. 500. 1,200.
Look at him.
Alright, I had one person who was close, but not it. I mean, I had a few around the range, a little below it, a little close to it. Say, 2,428. Tiny is over 2,600 pounds. And now we're at some of our llamas right now. We have Tornado, Leonardo, Sassy Samantha, Hot Wheels, Skid Mark, a lot of them. And here, look. Hold on, wait. Here's the Z-Dogs, look. You see the stripes on his legs? You see the stripes on their legs? Oh. Y'all see it? That's the zebra and the donkey mix. See, they have the donkey ears, the donkey face. And then the llamas. Yeah, they do. Let's see what? Out past it. and Big Mama. So Big Mama's actually the smaller horse, the brown. She's all the way on this side, not close to the other ones. She used to be way bigger, but since we started working her out and riding her more, she's not big anymore. And then Sweet Pea's the mix, and then Patty is the other.
You got this, baby.
Is that how you make it?
Yeah, the girl family.
Come on, let me see.
Thank you.
Let me see. Come on. You ready? You scared of snakes here, bro?
Not that. No, run out. As soon as I see it.
Run out? Jahar. Huh? Yeah. She wants to come? Then bring her. Look up there. Look at that lizard up there. You see it? Watch right here. You see it? Come, Raya. Come. Hey. Maya, you see this one right here? You see this one right here?
Yeah.
It's a little fella right there. Come on, baby. Come on. Nah, she is scared. She's scared of them things.
They're all locked up. I found them. Alright, so I'm going to tell you what everything is. Over here we have Minnie. And then we have our Burmese star tortoises. That's the thing, so everything. And then I'm going to tell you everything in the cages. This is Venus. She's a ball python. We have Ingrid, a bearded dragon. Spot, a ball python. Even carpet python. This is Rosie. She's a red-tailed boa. She's about 6 foot long.
Where is she? I can't see her. She's behind me. She's on the busy.
Just like the small alligator being wrapped in those.
Come on, Maya. I want to figure out that we Come on, Bob. Baby. Baby, baby. Baby. Hold that girl. Please. Hold this.
They bite.
What's up?
Hi, pretty bird. So technically like a human.
Is my grandchildren still in?
Come on, Maya.
One of my grands still in.
Maya, no touching.
You ready? Let's go. Let's go.
He said hello to you. Yeah, he said hello.
Come on.
You heard my
Sorry.